Hi you ones, let's start by spelling a high frequency word, and here it is. It's the word two, T-W-O. Two little ducks were swimming on the pond. Now if you've got a pencil or a pen or whiteboard, you're going to see how many times you can write that word out in 30 seconds, but don't go too quick because you want to make sure you're spelling it correctly and your letter formation is good as well. But if you're ready, 30 seconds is going to start on my timer. Here it comes. Starting now. You've got 10 seconds left. And well done, everyone. Did anyone manage to write it more than 5 times? If you did very well indeed. Okay, now today we're going to practice and look again at the I sound and how we can spell that. We can read it in words and how we can spell it. And on my board, I've written down 4 different ways we can make the I sound. So we've got our IGH trigraph, making an I sound. We've got my IE digraph, making the I sound. We've got a split digraph, I. And then we've also got a Y, the letter Y, which you may remember when we put that on the end of some words, it makes the I sound. But today we're going to look at our trigraph and we're going to look at our digraph. Okay, so let's start by blending and reading some words. Here we go. P-I, pie. T-I, tie. I put on a tie to go to the party. All, I, lie. I had to lie down because I was tired. I, sigh. S-I-T, sight. Cats have very good sight at night. N-I-T, night. Bats come out at night. Ooh, now. Can you help me? What word is this? Yeah, you might recognise that from our topic. It's the word night. But, as you can see, it doesn't begin with the N sound and the N. It starts with a K, a kicking K. But it's got another name and it's called a silent K. So we don't sound that K, that K sound. It's silent. So, N-I-T, night. The knight rode on her charger, which was her horse. There we go. Okay, very good indeed. Now, let's have a go at spelling some of those together. So, if I get my board, the first word we're going to spell, if you've got your pen and pencil with you as well, is the word pie. P-I. So have a go now. Pie. Mr. Cheetham likes apple pie. Okay, and here we go, let's see. So sound it out. Oh, whoops. P-I. P-I. Pie. Did you get it right? Give yourself a tick if you did. If you didn't, just give yourself a little dot and you can have another go afterwards. Okay, next word we're going to spell is the word night. Night. The sun goes in, the moon comes out at night. N-I-T, night. You have a go at writing that down. Okay, let's have a look. So, night. N. Now, what is it? Is it my digraph or my trigraph? I think it's my trigraph. I, G, H. N, I, T. Night. N, I, T. Well done. Okay. Again, give yourself a tick if you got it right. If not, just a dot, and then you can practice again at the end. Okay, next one to spell. We're going to have a go at spelling tie. Tie. I put on a tie to go to the party. Tie. T-I. You have a go at writing that. Okay, let's have a look. So, T-I. Oh, it's my digraph this time. T-I. Tie. Okay, very good. Again, give yourself a tick if you got it right and a dot if you didn't, and practice again at the end. And the last one we're going to have a go at spelling is we're going to have a go at spelling sight. Sight. I caught sight of something. Or cats have got very good eyesight. Sight. S-I-T. Off you go. Have a go at spelling that. Okay, let's have a look then. So, S. I is the trigraph. I. T. S. I. T. Sight. Okay, very good indeed. Okay, and again, give it a tick, you got it right. If not, a dot, and practice again at the end. You're doing very well, year ones. Well done. Well remembered. Well remembered. Now, the last thing we're going to do is I'd like you to write a sentence. And you can choose on these. So, here are your two sentences. You choose one to write. So, the first choice is the night. Remember, it's this night this time. The night was brave. The night was brave. So you may choose that one. If you do, you can start that now. The night was brave. Or you can choose the princess was brave. The princess was brave. So you choose which one you want to do. Okay, I'll give you a moment to have a go at writing that. While you're doing it, I'm going to write them down on my board. Okay. You can probably hear my squeaky pen. Okay, I've done my first one. So, the night was brave. You know what? I'm going to add a word to that. I'm going to add the night was very brave. So, I'm going to add that in just at the end there. You could do that as well. The night was very brave. Okay, and the other one we could have written is the princess was very brave. So here we go. The princess was very brave. And here it is. The princess was very brave. Stop. Okay. Well done, little ones. See you again soon. Okay.